What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video we're going to be working with HC hair. This is my first time working with this company, and this is my first time with 613 hair in like literally a year. No other companies is offering 613 hair. This hair is real silky, it's real soft, it was real easy to straighten. I can't wait to see if it holds a curl. If I'm not mistaken, I received 26 inches. I am in love with this hair, okay? Listen, I was tempted to color this hair, but you guys know, if you find a good company that has good 613 hair, you don't want to color that hair yet. Yeah, like, not a lot of companies have good 613 hair. So this hair, I would definitely not color. I would like to keep this hair this color because this is my best 613 hair I ever received. And y'all, I love it. Also, I had to do something different. I had to do a different style. You guys know I love me a middle part, and I sure was tempted to do a middle part, but I saw this style on Instagram a couple times, and I'm like, let me try this style. I always felt like half up, half down looked weird on me, but listen, this hair is giving, honey, lace melted. But the link to the same exact wig will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I highly recommend this hair. Highly recommend this hair, especially 613 hair. They 613 hair? Okay. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.